Welcome back, fellows. Now I'm going to show some other properties to manipulate the data. So first of all, this is a value return. So what is this value returns? This one you can see that in our property there is a property, it is called value return. In this property, actually the key data will be returned here, and already we have chosen that the zero column is the key value, so that's why it is. So how you can, this is very simple, this is very simple. This one should be actually ct. Okay, ct. For ct there is nothing, actually nothing. Okay, so this is the way. Very simple. Simplicity dot Shah return value. This is the name of the property. So this is very simple. I wrote it actually pre-written format because otherwise it would take longer time. If I write now, you can see this is the thing. Okay. This city means that this is actually name, just name, because whatever the thing you can connect, that is your data. Okay, now it has been connected with a owner org info. Okay, it's a table. You see that source option is table. So, and now is the another issue. Another issue is that what is this? Value return all the selected fields. Okay, the thing is that when we are selecting this one, you can see one record. Okay, so in some of the cases maybe you can see more than one data, one column, but ultimately too many columns you cannot see. So there might have, in one table there might have 30-40 columns. So what about the, how can you get the other data? So this is the way that you can get the other data. Inside the DLL there is a public class. So this is the way. This is the coding. I hope you can understand that this is the coding, how we can actually populate the public class from the DLL. So this is the class, and inside the class there are three actually variables has been used. You can see that three variables. Sorry. You can see C key, CDSC. So these two are basic. So all the time we are going to populate minimum two columns. One is C key and one is the description. And these two already we have to mention in the properties, that column key and column description, DSC. And this is the array type of variable. This is in this variable all the data will come selected. So if there are 30 will come, if there are 3 will come, and then you can actually then you can get it. So by using this one, just mention about the name of the array, sorry, number of the arrays, number of the arrays, so 11 number, and then this is the 13. So let's see, there's the 13th column data and 11th column data. So in this way, 0 1 2 3 4 100, no problem. You can whatever the number, whatever the data you need, based on the selection you can get it. As for example, you can see only these two, but what about the 11 and 13? So this is the 11th column data and 13th column data. You can see if you change it, it is going to be 44. Previously it was different. Now if I change it, you see now it is 48. So this is the thing I wanted to show you. Now the last thing and very important thing is that by using this control, you can also insert, update, delete, any kind of data manipulation you can do, and in very easiest way. In very easiest way, you need to write very minimal. You need to write. The thing is that you can see that how if we change this one, this is the table, this is the table. Before that I need to see that what kind of CMBCT. Okay, So I need to connect this one to the procedure, because through the procedure we are going to populate the data. This is the procedure. So what is the procedure name? There's the list of the I am going to give you demonstration by using this procedure. It got 4 parameters. Actually, you can see in your database it got 4 parameters. Whatever the number of parameters, it will show over here, and you can see these things. You can see these things. You can do 2 things. You can also key in this value over there, parameter. Each parameter value you can key in here, or you can key in actually programmatically. Okay, so actually in most of the cases we have to, it depends, actually it depends on the scenario. It is not necessary most of the cases. It depends. Sometimes you can just no need to write anything. You can just key in the value. You can get the way you want to see. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to key in the value. So how we are going to key in the value? I am going to, basically this is the basic thing. Nothing. This is just to show you this is the parameters. So this is the parameters. If this is 4 parameters, then over there also this is this. This is this 0, 1, 2, 3. Huh? So this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And then process parameter value. So all these 4 process parameter, you can put the value, and then you can just do whatever you want. In my procedure it is written number 1 status is for insert. So I am going to let's see what data we can add. Okay, here you can see now I want to add, as for example, Manila city. Manila. Sorry, not here. This is only the combo. I want to see here Manila. So Manila, maybe MNL, Manila short, and Manila city. Okay. Now let's see. Do you want to save, update, delete? Yes. Data saved. Let's see. Manila city. You can see the Manila city. You can see previously Manila city was not there. So this is the way. In the same way you can do update, you can do delete, the same thing. So this is the case. I gave you the demo. So in the same way, actually this SQL Server database also can be used. Only I just give you this is just, you need to choose this SQL Server the same way, and then you can get the connectivity. This is the connectivity for my database. So I got this connectivity, wrote over there and key in here. You can see the things get changed. Okay, so I can use this one. Then let's see, table, anything, very same way you can employ. Okay, let's see that whether, okay, I want to show in the control, which control. This control is text. What is the name of this control? Text box 1 and text box 2. So I connect this one, this control, with this 2 text. So text box 1, text box 1, column number, whatever the column, I just wrote 2. I don't know exactly what data inside the table. Oh, sorry, 2. Another one is text box 2. I want to show, maybe another one is 6. Let's see what is happening. Okay. Whether data can be, you see, that data are being shown. So this is the very simple thing. This is the way. So with the minimal using of the minimal, you see that if we need to insert, so we need to write a lot of scripts for the insert, update, delete. You don't need to write any single. Okay, so you can do this one. Okay, so this is for the MySQL. I told you that it will work, and also in the same fashion, actually, the C sharp also, it also can work. You see, the same way, in the same way, C sharp in the C sharp also can work in the same way, C sharp, and also the SQL Server. Okay, so these are the this is the SQL Server. You see, SQL Server was connected, and here it is connected the uh, MySQL. Okay, so after this, the return value is same. Only the since the this one is C sharp, so your scripting is a bit different. Here you can see that this is scripting for the to return get the return. You know this thing that it can be different, and also this one is different than that script. So if it is C sharp, then you need to the getting using classes and get data using class. So this is the public class. So this is the overall, this is all these functions can be done. So if you feel interested about this uh, DLL for this combo box, if you feel interested, then you just contact and our contact address has been mentioned in the part 1 video at the beginning, so you can contact us. So thanks a lot.